Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find trending hashtags on Twitter. So first you need to open your Twitter app, and then here in the bottom you will see a magnifying glass icon, that is a search button. You need to click on it, and here you will see trends for you section. So these are the hashtags that are trending on Twitter right now. So if you want to see more hashtags, you need to click on show more, and this will show up the trending hashtags. So for example, if I want to show all the tweets regarding this MS Dhoni hashtag, I will click on it, and this will open up all the tweets, debates regarding that hashtag. So here you can see all of the tweets regarding that hashtag. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.